All right, guys, the third season with our Snow Edge. Let's do an update. Let's get started. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm here with the Snow Edge. This is our third season, as I previously mentioned. Very happy with this setup. This is a low-cost system that you can put on any tractor. They come in different sizes. This is the 48-inch model that fits most compact or subcompact tractors. And I've always wished I had a snow blade, but it's just no budget for that. So this is the next best thing here. So let's take a closer look at how much is worn off of the resin board on the Snow Edge. That's the replaceable part here. So I want to show you where we're at 3 years out. Now here we are, closer to the Snow Edge. I'll show you the original photo when I first hooked it up a couple years ago. Again, this is our third season. You can see the bottom part is worn just a little bit. This is what it is more like new. We're going to see if this has any effect on performance with this worn part here, but it's still looking pretty good. And the plan here is to use it as long as possible. Then I like to turn this board around and try to use it that way. So I'm just curious if anyone else has a Snow Edge, if they turn around the resin board to get more life out of it. But that's what I plan to do. But I don't think I'm going to have to do that this year, but I want to use it. This is our first snowstorm of the season, and I want to see how it performs. I'm thinking it's going to be okay, but I am a little concerned about back dragging to see if there's any performance issues. If this is your first look at the Snow Edge by Ratchet Rig, I would encourage you to head over to my YouTube channel and check out my other videos on this implement. The Snow Edge is designed to work on hard surfaces such as concrete and asphalt driveways. I have to say that the Snow Edge has given my tractor a lot of purpose, especially in the wintertime when clearing and moving snow. All right, guys, so the Snow Edge is still working great. Even with a little wear, I think I can probably at least get a couple more seasons out of it. It's freezing out here. I'm going to finish up the driveway. Want to thank you for watching. Take care. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Have a great day.